welcome to another video. So today I'm going to solve some exercise related to second fundamental theorem of calculus. So what does it say? It says that, for example, we have this function f of x is equal to this integral bounded between g of x and a, so f of t dt. We get this. So its derivative of this function is equal to what? To f of g of x times the derivative of g of x. So guys, the exercise is already dead, so you can do just using this theorem. I don't know whether I can stop the video and go to another exercise. Are you capable of doing this? Okay, let me do this. But I have this, right? So I have this exercise comes here. It's equal to f of t. It's this, so we are going to put our f of t in terms of g of x. G of x in this case is this integral, and remember, I am not treating these things to evaluate integrals. I won't evaluate integrals here. So we are going just to plug in these integrals, replacing with t. Only that. So I get this. It's 1, right, over 1 plus sine to the power of 6. I'm going to replace e of g of x. Our g of x is this integral, so what we get here, it's 1 x here sine square of t dt plus what, plus this, it's 1 here, it's 1. You get this sine square dt. Okay, good. Get this. Don't forget to differentiate this. What? We need to differentiate this. Our g of x, right? So I'm going here just to put g of x because it's what I want to evaluate right now. So our g of x first is what? It's this integral. So it's 1 to x sine square of t dt, right? So once again, we are going to use the second fundamental theorem of calculus. So what I get here, derivative of g of x is equal to what? It's sine square, replace t with this upper limit, of the integral. So we get this times, if we differentiate this x, it's 1, so I won't put that. So I can say that derivative of this, it's equal to what? To sine square of x over this. So it's 1 sine to the power of 6, and this integral, which goes from 1 to x sine square of t dt, would plus all this integral to the power of 2 here. So we get 1x sine to the power of 2 dt of t dt. So this is the answer.